Today's plan is to get my new wheels coated. This is my center cap debacle. I have 3 different center caps here. You can probably tell the difference, and this is probably a good reminder of, you buy cheap, this is what you get. So these are also terrible. And then these guys, these ones are great. Garage is empty, my car is in the other garage. Look at those things. That's beautiful. So these are replica HRE wheels I bought from a company called Forge Performance. Courtney is based out of Winston-Salem. I believe this is his side hustle. I think he's an engineer full time. Courtney's pretty active on the Macan forum where I found his page. He also has a Macan. That's what got him down the rabbit hole. Look at these things. These things are beautiful. I ordered these wheels late October, and here we are mid-January and they showed up. Made in China, obviously. They come over on a ship. It takes a while, but they're full forged, 6061, forged aluminum, just like all the other brands use, same specs. Well, my goal today is to get them coated. So I'm going to use Geon rim. So these are a brushed finish. It's more responsive to light. There's a clear coat over it, so these aren't like raw aluminum, like big truck wheels. All right, now coating new wheels is simple. This is the time to do it. I'm just using, this is rubbing alcohol. You just gotta spray them, wipe them down, put the coating on. Now for the coating, Geon rim. This stuff stinks relative to the paint coatings. Geon paint coatings don't have much of a smell. Now my goal with this set was, if you follow kind of the recent Porsche trends, they do a lot of gold, so the neodyme finish. So I kind of wanted to stay with that, and then the brushed is just it's just a slight tweak of the neodyme, because that's typically a satin. There it is. So that's a coated wheel. I'll just put it off to the side. All right, good morning. It's Thursday, it's like 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. I'm gonna get the car on the quick jacks. So the car's air suspension, you have to disable it. And that's just that one button on the dash. This car doesn't have pinch welds. I don't know if you can see it, but it has these blocks. So it's right here. So it goes all the way back. I'm on like the back half of it. There's no pinch welds. That's where you lift, at least this car. All right, now we're up. Now, if you've never seen these before, but the main safety mechanism is there's two fixed height adjustments. So there's one there, and then this is on the back one. So once it's in that position, there's no force on the hydraulics. It's static, and the car's sitting there. So same thing on the other side. So right there's the first point, there's the second point. There, one Sport Classic. Yeah, these tires are getting down there. Where is it? Way down here. So this is the lowering links. So all it is a slightly longer, it's a slightly longer rod, and that tricks the computer into thinking the car is lower or higher than what it is. So it Geon rim on them. Since we're here, just kind of drench it on. I wrapped these in, I think this is a KPMF vinyl. I just wrapped over the black. I really like the color match look, but I don't know. I thought it might be a nice change. They've been color matched for like 6 months. I do like that the GTS is showing, because I debadged the trunk, so this is the only model designation. It might be nice to get chalk GTS letters. I have to look at that. Check Etsy or something. All right, all done. Wheels are torqued. Air pressure is checked. Go for a quick little drive. Hopefully there's no vibrations. Yeah, they're pretty bold. I like it. All right, that's a wrap. So hopefully there's no vibrations. I'm gonna get this thing on the road just for a quick drive. I have a car coming tonight, Thursday night, for this weekend. I'll try to record that, but in any event, let me know what you think. I think they turned out nice. See ya.